Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So let's see what is your cards saying for you as a guidance for the day. I have taken out some more cards and kept today so that I can pick out from everything few. But first I would like to pick two cards from here. Okay, so the cards are King of Cups and Three of Swords. Uh, though Three of Swords actually is an indication of heartbreak in usual most of the tarots, but if you see here, the person is coming out of it. So I feel here, though there is sadness, though there is a lot of emotions that have hit you, but you are coming out of it. You are working towards making yourself stronger today. So today is a day where you'll make yourself stronger, and whatever is this heartbreak which is coming because of emotions, because it's a King of Cups followed by the Three of Swords. So I feel whatever it is that is hitting you as of now is just going to go, and things are going to change, things are going to become better, and you're going to feel happier that you were able to handle it with a lot of dignity, with a lot of clarity, and you were able to come out like this beautiful dragon successfully. Can you see here, the person is just soaring out. So this, because it's come as personal, let's see what is in store for you in finances today. Now that's a beautiful card, dreams of abundance. So basically a lot of abundance is coming today. What you should do is you should wear something in light pink, so that even if there's something which is hitting you hard, you are able to convert it into positive energies and move forward. And also today, if possible, offer some flowers to the god in the morning and burn a ghee lamp. In that ghee lamp, add a drop of rose oil and burn it. Tell him, whatever emotional traumas I undergo today, I dedicate it and surrender it to the universe, that this has happened for a cause, and this cause is only going to make me a better person. So in that way, what will happen is you will feel blessed, and you will be able to overcome whatever it is that you have been facing. Now let's see what the dragon card says for you. That's a beautiful white gold dragon. I would just say, I don't know, I wanted to do a reading for the dragon, but I would just say, look at the dragon. Okay, look at this dragon and just meditate on it today. Just look at it. Take the energies of this dragon into your third eye and send it to your whole body, absorbing the energies, and let me know how you felt, because sometimes when you absorb the dragon energies, you will feel in bliss, you will feel emotional. Some of you might even end up crying. Some of you might feel as if there's a lot of roller coaster ride happening in your life right now. Some of you will just know that you've become strong enough to handle it. So today, one more thing what you will do is you will also start your day by saying this 11 times. Change is happening. I am prepared to move physically or spiritually. I repeat, change is happening. I am prepared to move physically or spiritually. Say this 11 times and start. So I hope you all are resonating with my readings. Do like the channel, share the video, subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, so that you will be notified as and when I bring these videos. And do let me know how you all are resonating with the readings. Have a beautiful day ahead.